Today, I am in the city of Seguin. If you're interested in wanting to know what under $300,000 can get you in Seguin, today we're going to tour two homes in the community of Lily Springs. What is so important or what is so great about the community here in Lily Springs? Well, look, I'm going to tell you about that here in the video of some exciting things that are coming to nearby to this area that might help you decide if Seguin off the 46 is a place for you. If this is the first time in my channel, thank you. If you continue to come back to my channel, thank you as well. I'm trying to bring you different types of videos and different information here weekly so that you are aware of what is going on and what are the current prices, specifically more on the newer construction. If you're thinking about moving to the Seguin, New Braunfels area in 4 days or in 4 months, you can reach me by calling me or texting me, or I will also leave a link in the description below of my relocation guide to New Braunfels, Texas. All right, so today I have two homes. This one behind me, a single story, and then one we're gonna go see, which is a 2-story as well. Now, the one right behind me is a home that's a little over 1,900 square feet. I will tell you what they're asking for this home. I will also tell you what amenities we have here, and then what is close and coming here in the next few years off of the 46 towards Seguin. So let's take a look at these two homes. All right, so we're gonna go inside. This home is built by the builder Centex, which is part of Pulte and also part of the 55 and over communities Del Webb. We're gonna go inside to take a look. All these homes come with the ring already installed. And as we walk in, we are seeing the inside of this home. Now, this home here currently does not have any window blinds. That is something that we can ask for. This community is electric. And so as you can see, there are granite countertops. We have your microwave, your stove, and a very large kitchen with a lot of counter space as well. Now, you may notice there's a missing door on this stove. And the reason why is some builders are taking those doors off because when they are in pre-construction, and since a lot of times they are being actually burglarized, there is a lot of theft, and especially when they've installed these appliances. So they are taking the front door of those stoves to avoid a little bit of that. So this home here does have 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. It is a single level. This home here currently does not have any rear neighbors as we approach the rear of the home. Very nice little covered patio, as you can see, with a nice pad here on the bottom. So you can definitely plenty of room to put some chairs, a table maybe, and the yard. And then behind us, well, that farmer there is growing corn. So for now, you won't have any rear neighbors at least to this home. This bedroom here is the primary bedroom going in to the primary bathroom. This is just a shower stall, so no bathtub in this floor plan, and a large opening here that you may be able to add more cabinets. But this closet is quite large for the single-story home here, which kind of wraps around the corner a little bit there. All right, so what is coming to this area? So we have a Whataburger that opened not too long ago. We are off the 46, right past the New Braunfels border. So we are on the Seguin side here. As we make our way to the I-10, then there on Rudolph, it is proposed that they will be building a Texas University Tech School. Seguin anticipates a lot of technical type of jobs coming out here, manufacturing type jobs. And so they need these tech schools that are not your traditional 4-year colleges, but more 2-year. And they can get certified and get their certificates from those schools to be able to maybe obtain those types of jobs here in the future. They are saying that university should be ready in the next 3 to 5 years. They've moved some ground dirt. They've definitely expanded part of the road and street. They've been doing a lot of work here the last year. So that is what's coming to this area. And they just opened also a McDonald's, which maybe doesn't excite everybody about that, but there is some things that are slowly coming to this area as well. All right, what is the price of this specific home? So as a single story, if you are financing, right now the asking price with maybe some closing costs and there's also some rate buy downs, about $274,000. Now, if you are to purchase this maybe in cash, then obviously the discounts can be quite a bit. And so that is something to keep in mind if you are looking to do that, especially for my viewers and clients that are watching me from other states, such as California and Colorado and Washington. That is always the possibility. All right, so let's go across the street. I'm going to show you the next home. Now, also we'll talk a little bit about what the amenities that this community has. We do have an in-ground swimming pool towards the end of this street, and then also a playground next door. This community does belong to Navarro ISD, so if that's something that is important and looking for the schools, you might want to look that in greatschools.org and take a look at the scores as well. So this one here has a little bit of stone as well on the front, your Ring camera. Now this home here is a 2-story. It is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Unfortunately, this one does not have the primary bedroom downstairs. It is a little over 1,800 square feet. We have what is the half bathroom right to the left of the front door, the staircase, and then this large, what we'll consider great room, family room, and kitchen, dining room area. So very quite large. A lot of space in between this kitchen here. I would almost suggest putting a very thin, maybe island somewhere here in the center at some point, or maybe something that you can move if you're not always using it. But again, that is also just different options. Quite a bit of cabinets on this side. All right, so this door is the garage, pantry, and your covered patio with your yard. All right. The price of this home, the asking price if you're financing is about $293,000. Again, we can definitely make an offer. We can always ask for blinds. We can also ask for a washer and dryer, refrigerator as well. It just depends on what is important to you when you are purchasing your home. If it's a cash offer, we can definitely get it a lot lower than this price. And so all we have to do is make that offer. So upstairs we have 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. And the primary bedroom here on the rear with view of what will be more homes. Now this neighborhood here for full build out is we probably have about another 1.5 years left before they are completely built out. Shower, and then your closet. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this tour. I'm here for questions. Feel free, reach out. My hope is for every client that does reach out and does purchase a home with me, that they're doing it the right way and they're doing it the first time correctly. I hear so many people that have moved out this way. You know, they've used other agents. They quite didn't know where everything was located. I make it a point. Me personally, I do not work with a team. I don't hand you off to anyone, to make sure you're aware of everything that is around your area, your city. So if you haven't been out this way before, feel free to reach out. I'll give you an idea of where everything's located if you haven't been here before. But I want you to make that decision correctly the first time. So I hope this was worth it for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.